Hi, I'm Steph from Step It Up with Steph, and as a certified personal trainer, yoga, and Pilates instructor, I created an at-home workout routine that you can do without any shoes or weights. All you need for this full body at-home workout is some laundry detergent or something similar, a bottle of wine or a half full bottle of wine, and a container of olive oil or a gallon of milk. Grab your laundry detergent and step into a side lunge, pressing down through that heel to come up and then lifting the laundry detergent up on an angle, working the internal and external obliques. Next, grab your olive oil and we're going to come down into a wide leg squat, pressing the glutes back. And as you press the glutes back, we're going to lift the olive oil up to work the shoulders and the arms. Grab that bottle of wine. We're going to balance on one leg, bring the opposite knee in, and then extend the leg back as you reach the arms forward, and then come back to center. You should look like a nice, long, straight line as you hold on to that bottle of wine and place the other hand behind your head. We're going to lower down, then come up using the side waist, and bring the knee in towards the elbow to really work the core and the abs. Finally, we're going to strengthen the lower body as we stretch the upper body. So coming forward into a warrior two, bending the front knee, abs drawn in. We're going to reverse warrior and come back to center. Repeat this 10 times on this side and then switch. Repeat each exercise 10 times per side and then switch. Go through all of these exercises for 3 rounds total, and you'll have a complete, quiet, full body workout that can be done in less than 10 minutes.